Okay, as you can see in shot, this is a routine scheduled maintenance inspection for a customer. We support customers not only for base maintenance here, but we support them when they break down away from base. We've recently, I think it was, last night, we had a call about 4 o'clock. One of our aircraft has gone tech in Amsterdam, and we had an engineer on the flight at 6 o'clock this morning. Okay. So he's currently in Amsterdam as we speak, and hopefully he'll turn the airplane around and it'll fly back this afternoon. So we are a 24/7 organisation, yes, we are. Well, aircraft are 24/7. They don't choose to break down between 9 to 5. I wish they did. So yeah, we are a 24/7 organisation. Not necessarily for the base activity, the routine activity, but we have a whole team of people on standby every day of the year, as you say, 24/7 to support a breakdown. We have a maintenance space at Fair Oaks at Shobham, 12 miles up the road, and they specialise in helicopters, the lighter aircraft. That's where the design organisation live, and the production organisation, and this head office for the Part M organisation. We have a engine overhaul facility which overhauls piston engines and components, which is based at Oxford. A large jet aircraft maintenance facility at Oxford Airport. We also support an air ambulance operation from Aberdeen, but also that provides maintenance to third-party customers. And we have a maintenance space with a beautiful new hangar that we've built based at Glasgow. We have a diverse range of clients, and we have a team that can cater for all their needs.